Hello, welcome to my e-portfolio. Here's a movie describing my life in Bond University. If you wish to enjoy more exciting moments, please enjoy the show. Day 1. Form work. In the morning, the teacher first gave a briefing to us to show us later on what's going on. Then we need to use the hand tools to make this wooden box. Later, he introduced this wolf formwork and gave us a task to do. It is a task for us to do a I-beam. So he gives us a kicker and we need to cut the panels and the wood. Day 2. Steel work. Then the teacher showed us how to use the equipment for drilling a hole, and this machine is for cutting the steel into a specific size. And then we try to drill a hole and do a task, and this is the final result. Don't remember to. Day 3 and Day 4. Concrete. Here is some ingredients of the concrete. Here's the coarse aggregate. We need to measure the specific amount, and this is some sample of the cube. Then we need to do a compression test on it. After the test, we have the result of the strength. Then we go to another part of the concrete. We mix another ratio of concrete and first do the slump test and test for its workability, and we try to pull it out and then we measure the slump value. Then we pull it onto the formwork we made and do a compression. This is the result, the product. And the day after that, we need to then remove the formwork. Here's another part. We need to do the reinforcement by using this kind of tools. This is the result. Day 5. NDT and anchoring. First, we need to do this test to check where the reinforcement is. This sophisticated machine can test about the diameter of the steel, the position, and the corrosion, the situation of the corrosion. Then we mark it on the concrete. Here is a rebound hammer test. we need to do it on the test concrete, and we have got a reading of the deposition. This is another test by using this machine so that we can check where the strength is enough, and then we get the result. Here is the part of the anchoring, and there's kinds of bolts and nuts, and here there are some tools, and the teachers show us how to use the drilling machine to drill a hole first on the concrete. Then we need to fix the nails, fix the anchor onto the concrete. And students like us have tried by ourselves, and if we do it on the edge of the concrete, it will have a concrete failure. And we can compare this to anchor. Day 6. Brickwork and plastering. Here is some example of the different bondings, like English bond, French bond. And teachers show us the different brick or block. And he's trying to make a brick wall to show us how. First, need to setting out and place the cement mortar on the ground, and then place the brick and make sure that they are level. And then after laying a cement mortar on the top of the first layer, we can place another brick on it. Then we go to the plastering part. We need to do it evenly on the wall, and some students try to do this job. The plastering have different portions, so we need to mix it carefully. Then we can place the mosaic tiles on it. But first, we need to put a layer of cement mortar on it, and then make it sticky so it can stick to the wall, and it can be firmly. Then some students try to make a dogs. Day 7. Force work. Here's an example of force work. And this rod is for safety. It should be independent, and it should be strong enough to hang on your weight. Then the teacher shows us different kind of force work, and some working pattern, and some equipment and tools. Then we are given a task to make a force work by ourselves. We divide us into groups and do it. Do it step by step, by first laying the base of the force work, and then build it. And when we need to do the work in some height, we need to do the safety. That's the end of this day, and it is also the end of my movie. Thank you.